Hey guys, welcome back. We're here in Lakeside, Nuvali, and for today's video, we're going to feature different Ayala Land Premier here in Nuvali. We're going to feature also Metro South, ano yung mga project ni Ayala here in Southside. We'll mention Era Heights, Southmont, Nuvali, saka Broadfield, and then Ayala Greenfield is a little bit farther pero we're going to see them yung site development plan, okay? And then in the video, we'll see also din yung actual site of Enara, Ayala Land Premier's pre-selling project here in Nuvali. And meron din tayong mga near RFO na lote, which I think is in Arcillo. So, sige, tara, samahan niyo ako. Hey guys, we're here in the site development plan no, of our projects dito in Southside. So meron tayong dito sa Laguna, Canlubang, Santa Rosa. We have here the Nuvali, and this is now a 2,670 hectares or roughly 2,700 hectares, no? Currently, nandito tayo sa showroom ng Ayala Land Premier. It's the lakeside side of Nuvali. Okay? Then, dito din yung isa nating project. This is Southmont naman. Ito yung magiging parang junior version of Nuvali. And I believe this is a 700 hectare estate also, no? And just 12 minutes away to Nuvali and 15 minutes away to Tagaytay. Then we have here yung Ayala West Grove Heights. So this is also here in Silang. I think mas familiar yung maraming tao dito with West Grove. So ang difference naman ni West Grove and kay Nuvali, si Nuvali kasi more into a master plan estate na bigger scale, no? So we have there mga hotels, offices, residential malls. Si West Grove naman more into parang boutique village. Okay? Then around here is the Broadfield. Yan, Broadfield. May dalawang project dyan si Alveo and currently we're offering commercial lots dito in Broadfield. Here, may bagong project si Ayala Land Premier. I believe this will be a 900 hectare estate of Ayala. And this is the first village called Air Heights. So, si Air Heights is located at Carmona, Cavite. So, this is just, I believe, ano na siya, sold out na. Pero from time to time, may mga nag-reopen tayo na lots here in Air Heights. Okay? So, we featured most part na ng Metro South. But it is also worth mentioning si Ayala Greenfield Estates. So medyo malayo na din siya compared dito sa Nuvali. But si Ayala Greenfield Estates, iba naman ang charm niya, no? It has a golf course sa village and mga lots natin dito are ready na. And pero may mga from time to time din may mga reopen ng mga residential lots. So if you're interested, please contact me. Give a call. Okay? So yeah, let's go back here in the valley. Early 2007, early 2007, nag-start ang launching talaga ng Nuvali, no? So parang starting next year, we're celebrating 20 years na here in Nuvali. And alam niyo ba, nung mga around 2000s or 2001, Abrio, ito, look, check mo to, Abrio. Abrio launching price nun dati nasa 9,000 price per square meter. Ang mga huts dati, malaki pa eh. Nasa, if I'm not mistaken, parang nasa 800 square meters. So imagine, no? 9,000 pesos per square meter. We've come far. Sa pre-selling natin ngayon, nasa 59,000 to 65,000 na ang price per square meter ng mga lots. And what's nice naman dito with Abrio is it's near Lakeside. It's near sa commercial district talaga ng Nuvali. Then nasundan na yan mga projects ni Ayala Land Premier. Santiera, Elaro, Montecito, Cerrillo, Saliento, Luscara, Raymond, Andasillo, Arcillo, saka Enara. So ngayon, these projects are sold out. Abrio, Santiera, no? Ang available na lang dyan is Arcillo, which is near turnover, and Enara, yung currently nating pre-selling. So if makikita mo sa map, no, medyo malayo talaga siya to Nuvali. Pero it's designed talaga na maging exclusive at mataas ang elevation. So here kasi in Enara, no, it's 330 meters above sea level. Mataas siya. And based sa site manager namin, si Sir Kel, he mentioned na early this year, malamig talaga dito in Enara. So you'll see in the video na madami siyang madami siyang view ng mga puno, ng mga coconuts. Then it has also a view of pag nasa kalsada ka, it has a view of Tagaytay Highlands. It has a view of anong lake yun ba? Yung Laguna de Bay. And then Mount Makiling. Okay? And then around here, this is the Miriam College. So bandang dito naman yung side ng mga projects ni Alveo. So may Trevea, Venare, so Mirala, Lumira, Mondia, which is our 5th residential, and ito yung bagong project, Sereneo. So this is the one na pre-selling naman. And this one is Miriam College. So dito, if I'm not mistaken, should be here or basta nearby lang dito. There's a 2 hectare lot na allocated for commercial. So para magkaaroon dyan ng high-end na retail and shop. Okay? And then around here naman sa bandang Venare, beside Venare, there's an allocation of at least 10 hectare estimated na magiging commercial, na magiging Ayala Mall, so that you don't have to go na sa Lakeside, punta sa Ayala Malls, Nuvali, no? Kasi medyo malayo siya. So I mean to say, mas accessible na siya pagdating ng araw. But for now, there's no timeline mentioned. It's just part of the master plan. Okay? Cut mo na. Hey guys, we're here in site development plan of Arcilio. This is the smallest residential village of Ayala Lanpreneur here in Nuvali. Ayan. So madami na ding sold out dito. What's nice naman dito is may malaki kang detention pond and closer siya to Lakeside in Nuvali. Then bandang dito pala, no, yung mga big cuts natin na lote. Uh, if I'm not mistaken, this is around 1,500 square meter na lot. So, if you purchase a lot, you can subdivide it into three. Parang magka-around ka ng tatlong title. So, parang kikita ka pa ng times three. Or, if you're also someone na wants to build a big family, this can be build of like three houses, parang compound siya. So, there are options, there are flexibility. So, ito naman maganda sa Arcilio. And then here with Enara, and this is our second village naman of Nuvali Heights. So, si Andasillo, and bandang dito si Andasillo, ito yung ninth village namin na currently sold out. And parang quote-unquote, no, parang view of the gods. Yung binansagan siyang view of the gods. Kasi you really have a nice view of everything. It's a 360 na view in Andasillo. Currently sold out, pero may chances naman na may nag-reopen a lot. So just message me if you're interested din. Okay, going back, dito naman, this is the main entrance ng Enara. Yung pinakamataas na elevation ni Andasillo is just the starting point of Enara. So, ganun kataas ang Enara. And it will be hindi na nga gently rolling terrain to eh. Parang rolling terrain na talaga siya. So, it's along the mountains. Yan. Laking project. So, this will be the phase 1. This will be the phase 2. Guys, sa Enara, as of today, June 2026, Ayala Land has become flexible sa mga payment terms. So, it's a buyer's market right now. It can be payable up to 60 months or 5 years at 0% interest. So, this is really an exclusive promo. So, if you'd like to see a sample computation, please let me know. Ang mga lots naman natin dito starts at 500 square meter to 900 square meter. Okay? So, yan. You can see here yung mga lots. Kindly zoom in mga lots natin. So, ang style ng Enara should be something like this. Yan. You have a view, majestic view, very exclusive. See yourself na nag-run sa village kasi rolling terrain nga siya. Then ito naman is our near RFO lots, Arcilio. Yan. So ang difference naman ni Arcilio with Enara, if si Enara ay gently rolling terrain, si Arcilio ay flat naman siya. Okay? Then this is the lakeside of Nuvali. Currently, if I'm not mistaken, andito tayo. You have here and Ayala Mall, Ayala Malls Novali or Soledad 1, 2, 3, 4, Seda Hotel, Landmark, and may mga retails, and then you have the lake, then Nuvali Boulevard. Then ito naman yung mga projects of Southside, or they call it Metro South. You have here Era in Carmona, Broadfield, West Grove, Southmont, and Nuvali. Ito si Ayala Greenfield Estates. Is worth mentioning din siya. Then you can see here part of the master plan. There will be a north-south commuter railway from Solis to Calamba. Alam ko nga mayroon ding NSCR sa sa Arca South. Our project also in Taguig. So baka connected sila. Okay. All right. See you in the next part. So on your left side is the Abreu village, Ayala Land Premier first project. Then on the right side is Santiera. Ayan, both Ayala Land Premier na mga projects. Yan daw. Sobrang exclusive, walang bahay. On your right side is the Arcilo, a newly turned over project of Ayala Land Premier. And so you can see, and yung itsura niya. So it's really nice. Flat lang siya, pero maraming trees. And Yeah. So on your left side are still Elario, no? May mga construction pa din na bahay. So ang gaganda, oh. And on your left side is the Rio Monte by Ayala Land Premier. Ganda rin. So we have a dry lake here na napakalalim. Ranging around 9 to 12 meters high. Okay guys, this is the Saliento, another Ayala Land Premier project. You have the Andacillo, the highest, the first village of Nuvali Heights. Second to the highest village dito in Nuvali. Grabe, ang ganda ng Andacillo, oh. Kita mo naman. Yung nakikita nyo parang brown, parang may construction. That will be the future clubhouse. If i-check ninyo yung other video natin, you'll see yung 360 view ng Andacillo. So, please check it out din. Hindi na tayo makakapasok but that's Enara. Ayala Land Premier's pre-selling. Sige, go, yeah. Dami kambing. Hey guys, welcome back. We're here in Enara. And so I think block 16 yung nandoon. Block 17, 18, then block 15 nata to. And then sa left side niya, clubhouse. So, Enara is the 11th village of Ayala Land Premier. Pre-selling, no? And the second village sa Nuvali Heights, sitting at 300 meters above sea level. Napakataas. What's nice with here, ito may view ka ng Mount Makiling. And tapos Tagaytay Highlands. Ayan. So napaka taas din niya. If you'll see later on sa video, rolling terrain din siya. Mas rolling terrain yata to kay Andasillo. Si Andasillo is the first village here in Nuvali Heights. And mataas din. What's good here as of today, June 2026, no? It's a buyer's market. Kaya if you're in the market of mga residential lots, you might consider Enara kasi 5 years payable at 0% interest. So, installment siya, no? Na very stretch. So, if you'd like to receive a sample computation, give a call or text. But for today, I'll give you tour ng area. While it's sunny, we'll get to have a feel ng itong pre-selling na lot. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay. It's 11 a.m. Sobrang direct ng araw. Really sunny, no? But this is also a good opportunity to see yung area kasi once na rainy season na daw, this is not possible. So, ang reference na lang natin is online or good weather para makapunta tayo dito. Anyway, at my back is the detention pond. So, yan. So, hindi na yan tatayuan ng village. Possibly bandang doon ang second and third na village dito in the Valley Heights. So, yun yung mga magiging 12 and 13 village ni Ayala Land Premier here in the Valley. It's part of the master plan pero hindi naman, walang timeline. So, stay tuned dun, no? So over the years, we will cover that. And again, if you're interested on this project, andyan naman yung contact details ko below. Would love to send a sample computation as well. Ayun. Also very promising naman dito in Nuvali kasi ang daming updates. You have the Metro Nuvali, mga commercial lots na we are offering in civic space. So long term naman din, mas promising ang master plan ng Nuvali, no? And just today also, I learned na 2,670 hectares na tayo. 2,670 or 2,690. Basta more or less ganun. So talagang nag-expand lang lalo si Nuvali. And yeah, along the video, you'll see si East Block. Ayun yung pinakamalapit nating commercial area. If you're going to decide to buy a lot here in Andasillo, Arcillo, or Enara, you don't have to go na sa may Ayala Malls, Nuvali, no? Pero for now, if galing naman dito, yun pa lang naman din ang commercial area natin, it will be a 15-minute to 20-minute drive. Okay. And admittedly naman din, malayo talaga siya. Pero yun yung selling point niya. It's exclusive. Oh, share ko din to guys, no? Ganito yung magiging renters niya ng lot. I don't know if you can see it. This is a sample lot of hillside lot naman siya. Yan. And hope nakababasa ninyo. Okay. Along the roads naman, you have a view of Laguna de Bay. Pero kung lot view naman, parang hindi ko masabi na kita siya. Unless mataas yung bahay. Oh, details din pala if magpapatayo ng bahay dito. 9 meters high, tapos walang basement. Yung cut ng lote nasa, I think may mga nasa 500 dito eh. 500 square meters. I'll double check kasi this is a fairly new project din. Then, yes, of course, rolling terrain siya and nasa edge na siya ng Nuvali Heights. Akyatin ko kaya to, ano? What do you think? Oh my gosh, ang taas. Wag na lang. Baka madapa tayo. Pero ang taas niya, no? Ang taas ng lot. Ayan. According kay Kelden, our site manager, pag bare months naman, last time nung February din, malamig din dito sa area. And I think it's expected kasi high elevation eh. 330 meters above sea level. Yung mga lote sa, let's say sa Alveo, sa Sereneo, I think nasa 200 lang eh. Around 200 above sea level. Dito mataas. 300. Ayan. Try natin silipin yung clubhouse if maabot natin. Ayan. I think it would be nice kung may mga block signage siya, no? Para makikita talaga natin alin yung mga lots dito and mga blocks. I think bandang doon yung ano, clubhouse. Or baka ito na nga yun eh. Possible ito na yun. Wala pa kasi siyang signage or everything. Yan. Okay, i-mention ko ulit like sa mga previous videos natin. Nilaunch natin si Nuvali, tapos Abrio, Ayala Land Premier. Launching niya nasa 9,000 per square meter. Right now nasa 57,000 to 59,000 to 65,000 na tayo price per square. Depende sa payment term, depende sa kind of lot. Depende rin sa kind of discount, no? So, grabe, we've come far. And next year is our 20th anniversary here in Nuvali. Grabe, no? It's been a long journey. I think makikita nyo din dito sa video later yung bagong Starbucks na along the way papunta dito. Malapit siya sa Hana. I think yung project nila Jose Marichan. So, talagang ang bilis ng development dito in Nuvali. 11th village ni Ayala Land Premier itong si Enara. Si Alveo naman nasa 6. Si Sereneo naman din. Currently, ang mga university natin dito, 3. Everest, Xavier, and Miriam. Okay. So, stay tuned kasi madami pa magiging updates dito lalo sa civic space, no? Baka may maging, or baka kayo, baka gusto nyo magtayo ng school doon. Please reach out on me. Baka you might be interested and I'll be Sending a sample computation ng lot natin dito. So this is the Kawang Kawang River. Currently it's dry kasi it's summer now. But yeah, it can be a detention pond, but it's Kawang Kawang River. Meron din yan sa may kabilang side, sa may bandang Rio Monte Kuya, no? Okay, it's around 9 to 12 meters high here from the bridge. So, malalim. Malalim yung ano. Here is the Andasillo to, kuya? Rio Monte. So, this is Rio Monte. Okay. And here is the Rio Monte. Right here is the Cerneo, ongoing construction. Bilis ng development, oh. So Cerneo is the sixth residential village of Alveoland, and it is also their current highest village in the valley. Pero mas pataas pa din ang Enara, but this Cerneo is 360 view din. Very nice din yan. Tada! Welcome back guys. We're here in Ayala Malls Vermosa. And ito yung booth namin, no? So today pala, we will see Vermosa as an estate. It's a 752 hectare master plan. We will see yung sports complex. We will see Calea Vermosa. We will see then Crescent Grove by Ayala Land Premier, Calea Vermosa by Alveo. Madadaan natin si Ardia, first village ni Alveo, and the Courtyards by Ayala Land Premier, first village ni Ayala Land Premier. So, welcome sa video na to, and we'll tour yung mall and ano na yung mga open na shops. Okay? See you! We're here in Courtyards by Ayala Premier. As you can see, yung mga electric post nila underground ang ah, kuryente. Secondary. So this is the secondary entrance. And there are a few houses here in Ayala Premier. This is a good investment also. One, it's the first village of ALP here in Hermosa. So it will be the indicator, no, ng mga price. Ito ang benchmark. The same thing that happened with Novali, Abrio, and Trevea by ALP and Alveo. They started at 9,000 price per square meter. Ito, I'm not sure, but nung I was with ALP 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I think that was around 25,000 ish price per square. So I'll double check, no. But if you'd like to inquire for the courtyards here in Vermosa, let me know. From time to time, may nag-reopen naman dyan. This is the project. You can see. And the courtyards.
Pasok ba tayo?
Pasok tayo. Courtyards at Vermosa. Hey guys, if you are interested here, we have lots pa naman. Alam ko 500 or 400 ang starting dito. Until siguro mga nasa 1,500 yan. Let's check. Mga Park Boulevard. And you can see na ito na yung bagong turnover na village. So, may mga lote, bakante.
Mga for sale mo.
Ano yun, kuya?
Mga for sale yun.
Oo, may mga sa may mga markings, may may garden park. One bay. Ito yung clubhouse. Clubhouse. This is a 130 hectare lot na village. Okay. 470 square meters to 1,947 square meters. 8 lots per hectare. Oh wow. So ang laki pala na ito. Sige kuya, ikot-ikot lang tayo. Ay, may construction ng bahay sa likod eh. But for privacy, no, hindi na namin i-feature. You can see here, no, maiksi yung kalsada. It's designed kasi for safety ng mga homeowners kasi there will be definitely people jogging around dito sa area na to, nagbabike, yan. And the road is built of uh, asphalt yan kuya, no? Asphalt. Spalto. So, safe na safe. Siguro baba na lang tayo kuya somewhere doon yung medyo private, yung walang medyo malayo, hindi tayo mapupuntahan.
Tayo nakita.
Oo, hindi tayo kita. So it's gently rolling terrain. Yan. Good afternoon, guys. We're here inside the courtyards in Vermosa. ALP's first village here in Vermosa. So as you can see, this is already turned over. And the lots are already marked. So these are already, may mga owners na yan, no? May mga buyers na. Yeah, we're currently in Azalea Drive. And then, if you can picture this out, no? It's a courtyard concept na common with Ayala Land Premier. It's designed para maging exclusive and very private. So there will be 8 lots per hectare. Okay? In total, I think this is 150 hectares. Tama ba yung sabi ko kanina? 150 hectares na village. So malaki siya kasi malaki yung cuts ng lote. Again, it's from 470 to 1,900 or almost 2,000 square meters yung lot sizes. Okay, tara, ikot tayo. Here also, no, makikita nyo yung electricity post niya. Underground ang line ng kuryente. I believe it's fiber optics yung technology nila dito. So hindi siya, that's what separates Alveo and Ayala Land Premier. Si Alveo, there are over the head pa na lines. Dito, everything's underground. That's also for the safety na rin, no, ng mga owners. So it's gentle rolling terrain. Yan. And may clubhouse tayo doon na parang ongoing ang construction. Hindi pa siya fully finished. Pero you can already see the full picture. Yan, nakita tayo. So there are a few houses na din dito. And few houses na kino-construct. It's really nice here. It's really quiet. From here, no? From here, Vermosa to BGC is just 30-minute drive. Mabilis lang, malapit kasi it's Imus, Cavite. The estate is just beside with Lasal Zobel. So maganda yung location din. And then you can see already si Ayala Malls. Madami na siyang boutique shops. Madami na siyang food and retails din. Like makikita nyo later on sa video. And then yeah, tingnan nyo yun, no? Ang accent naman niya is ang dami niyang trees, ang daming open space, and may mga gantong concept na courtyard living. Okay? So just be careful kasi gentle
rolling terrain siya. So, if you're a person na mahilig magbike, I think you will appreciate this eh. Maganda yung kalsada eh. Hindi siya madulas. Again, it's asphalt, you know. If you're someone that wants an active living lifestyle, ito yun eh. This is the property for you. Okay? And then, rolling terrain siya. Up, down. Malaki oh. Malaki no? So malamig. Yeah. So we were going to check now Crescent Grove. Ito na yung pre-selling natin na project ngayon. By Ayala Land Premier din. Ito.
Ikutan natin.
Video mo.
Ito yung secondary entrance.
That would be the secondary.
Ka nakamay?
Hindi lang. I-note mo na lang din. Secondary entrance.
Wala siyang name.
Mga construction na lang. So here guys are commercial lots for sale. Here in Vermosa. Yeah. Kita nyo naman no, ang lalaki ng cuts. 3,683, 2,497. Yeah. So if you want to expand your business here, this is an ideal place also. Right, also on your front no, there's the construction of building of LaSalle Zobel here in Vermosa. And sa unahan, there will be the church here in Vermosa. Catholic church yan sa unahan. Medyo natatabunan na ng puno. Turo mo nga, be. Yung sa harapan mo. Ayan. Like sa bigger, ano ba? Sa bigger... And this will be a church. Ang bilis ng construction, no? I've been here last year lang, wala pa to eh. Yeah, ganda, oh. It's a place of worship, tapos sa left side lang is the Ayala Mall. Everything is within reach. My school, my church, my mall, and my complex, my sports complex. Pero Jimmy, may hospital ba dito? Would you know?
Parang wala.
Wala pa, no? Yeah. Pero don't worry, guys. This is a 750 hectares of estate, no? So, madami pang mangyayari dito, and you're not yet late to invest for this kind of property. Maganda tong Vermosa. And again, if you'd like a sample computation or request a viewing with me here sa Vermosa, let me know. Diyan lang yung number ko on screen or call kayo. Okay, we're on our way on Calaya, Vermosa. Alvelan second village here in Vermosa. Kitang-kita niyo naman, no? Roland pa lang saka kalsada. Wala pa tayo, Kuya Jimmy, sa ano, no? Sa gate. So, yeah. Nasa ano pa lang tayo.
Street road pa.
Service, ano tawag din, Kuya?
Street road.
Estate road pa lang tayo. Pakita mo si Kuya Jimmy sa vlog ko, ya. Yeah, si Kuya Jimmy, poging-pogi. Pinaka-poging driver sa Albeo. And we're going to see the update of Calaya Vermosa today, June 2026. Huli nating vlog ng Calaya was last year, 2025 of April. And ang merong event doon, Spartans yung sa Bungat. You can see sa first, yun ang pinakauna nating video. Yeah. Then, so happen, sa loob pala siya, no? Ayan, ayun na yung Kuya Jimmy, no? Yung sa unahan. Oh, okay. May landing pad yan?
Meron.
Okay, that's nice.
May landing pad yan, may showroom doon.
May showroom pa doon? Oh, okay. So, maganda din.
Ito yung landing pad nito.
Oh, okay. Ayan, wow, Kalaya. Saan tayo, Kuya? Landing pad muna.
Doon tayo sa showroom.
Sige, sige. And so, i-tour mo yung site. So, this is a golden opportunity, no? Under construction pa lang ang lote. Hey guys, welcome back. We're here in our showroom in Calea, Vermosa. As you can see, no, this is our site development plan. And we're currently here. Dito yung main entrance and dito siya sa bandang likod. Doon tayo dumaan. Yan. So as you can see, everything here is construction. Ito yung, they call it golden age of investing kasi kapag pre-selling pa ang property, dyan pa mababa yung price and dyan pa maganda pumasok sa market, no? Madami pa tayong lots na available dito in Calea and if you like something na mga prime lots na malapit here sa clubhouse, medyo mausok. Meron tayong mga lots ranging from 275 square meters to 500 square meters. Okay? So, this is Alveo's second village and I think this is around 25 hectares in total. Ang mga lots natin mostly are the first Alveo village na sa south side ng Vermosa Estate. Si Calea ang first village on the north side ng Vermosa. So, this will be expanding soon. And ito, ang maganda naman with Calea is, it is near in Ayala Malls, Vermosa. Malapit din siya sa mga commercial hubs, mga retails dito in Vermosa na side. Okay? So again, dito tayo sa main entrance malapit. So there will be two entrances here. You have here the primary and secondary entrance. Yan. Itong tinatayuan natin ngayon will be the view of the clubhouse. Okay? So may mga lots tayo na available dyan. Nandito. Okay, so here in Vermosa, what's nice here is just the proximity niya to Alabang. Yung mga kumukuha ng Vermosa na lots are people na mga families din in Alabang. They move out and expand dito naman mag-invest in Vermosa kasi they've seen the success ng Alabang. Like example, yung Ayala Alabang Village natin at yung Alabang Hills. Si AAV is a project of Ayala Land Premier and si Alabang Hills naman, project of Alveo. Yung nauna, nasa 250,000 na price per square on the secondary market. And si Alabang Hills, Ayala Alabang Hills, I think nasa 150,000 approximate, no? Yung secondary market na price. Currently, dito in Vermosa, we're at 57,000 price per square na average. So, starting to around 275 to 500 square meter lots. May mga available pa naman dito, no? So, kayo na lang mag-compute of how much it is. But should be around 13 million ang starting price niya to approximately 25 to 27 million. What's nice also today is may promo tayo na 60 months to pay at 0% interest. So, maganda ang market. It's a buyer's market right now. And so, you may take advantage sa promo term. Kasi kapag bumalik na siyang usually it will be 3 years na lang payable and with a higher monthly amortization. But ngayon, 60 months to pay as of June 2026 and then mababa lang yung monthly. I believe less than 50,000 as of today, okay? Give a message or call. I'll give you a sample computation ng mga lots natin. And today we'll tour We'll tour Crescent Grove. And if we get lucky, we might get enter sa Courtyards by Ayala Land Premier. Madaanan din natin Ardilla. So we'll check Alveo and Ayala Land Premier villages dito in Vermosa. Okay? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. We're here on the actual site ng Calea Vermosa. Again, Alveo's second gem. Right at my back is the clubhouse. So as of today, ito yung update niya na construction. Right there naman will be the main entrance. Yan. And then doon may Alveo landing pad. So we'll get to see the view din ng buong estate o buong village ng Calea Vermosa. So this is again a good timing kasi under construction pa lang siya kasi once na matapos na lahat to, may mga kalsada na, may mga poste na ng kuryente, the price will be different and the inventory will be different kasi mabilis nga gumalaw ang inventory ng isang Ayala village. So tara! Hey guys, we're here in the actual site of Calea Vermosa. And andito tayo ngayon sa main entrance. So that should be the main gate. Yep. And then doon naman banda ang secondary na gate. So dito tayo ngayon, color blue. Markings, main entrance. Then around here, we have a showroom. Ayan, unahan na yun. Parang block na box. And as of the moment, we're still on the ongoing construction of the clubhouse. You will see on the video yung mga actual renders ng clubhouse. And right here, ito yung drop-off area. Or we call it the Kalea Zen Courtyard yan. Napaka-expansive na drop-off area. Then you have here yung mga amenities. You have the pool. You have some jogging paths in the area. May mga meeting areas also dito sa loob ng clubhouse. And ito din ang pinakamalaking Alveo Clubhouse dito in Vermosa. You can see yung mga actual renders and finishes ng isang Kalea Vermosa na clubhouse. In addition, yung mga lots natin, we're here on the phase 1. We're here on the phase 1. Dito naman yung phase 2, no? So, may mga bago tayong lots na nag-open. So, there will be near also in clubhouse and malapit lang din sa main entrance. Good deal, kasi you can find the corner of 366 square meters. May mga 255 lots, mga 286 lots. Dito maganda din. It's near the picnic grove and jogging path na connecting din sa clubhouse. Yeah, see on the video. And then it should be, this is around 25 hectare na village. Flat lang siya, so pag magpapakonstruct ka ng bahay dito, it won't cost you much. Okay? So here in Kalea, we'll find a lot of amenities. Picnic grove, jogging path, basketball court. Meron din tayo dyang malaking social hall, central park, saka mga residence lounge, kids play area. Napakaganda ng Kalea Vermosa. Dito pa nga lang, you can see the garden way. Yeah. And then ito yung magiging renders niya. So, ito yung, let's say, bird's eye view, no? You have the main entrance, the drop-off area ng clubhouse, the basketball court, the pool, and then imagine yourself building a house there. And ito ay itsura ng isang clubhouse. Real nice. You have an infinity pool. Upgraded na din yung finishes ng clubhouse natin. And here is the perspective ng pool. You can have a residence lounge there. And what's nice naman with Vermosa is we have malaking sports complex dito na area na we want to push yung mga athletes natin dito mag-train. So may mga jogging, football area, may madaming nagbabike dito. So if you're someone that is athletic or you want your family to be having the healthy lifestyle, ideal naman din ang Vermosa. Okay? So we're here sa Daang Hari. Tama ko yan, no? Daang Hari Road. Left side is the Ayala Malls, Vermosa. Yan. Then, right side kanina may mga terminal eh. Terminal ng mga P2P na bus. And here is the Kalea Vermosa, oh. Yan. Turn right at Vermosa Boulevard.
Ganyan yung talis.
Oh, okay. Ganda, oh.
Okay. Yan. Dito, if sa right side nito, will be the main entrance ng Calea, Vermosa. Yan. Pag na-turn over yan, unahan lang yan. Right? Hindi kasi tayo makapasok ngayon kasi kino-construct yung kalsada. Kaya umikot tayo kanina. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Again, I am Eddie, your real estate guy. And if you do enjoy this kind of contents, please subscribe. Also, if you'd like to inquire for our RFO na lots, courtyard, saka Ardia, from time to time may nagre-reopen or pre-selling lots. Crescent Grove by ALP and Calea by Alveo. Please give a call. Andiyan naman yung number ko. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.